Good morning, Ras al Khaimah. We're going now to the local shop to a local craftsman. He's a very good wood craftsman, and we're going to discuss with him the installment of all the racks at the back of the car. Quite nice kitchen with 2 stoves and 1 grill, which we want to integrate on the rack, and we want to have it at a height of 107, 110 centimeters, so that we have easy access. So this is what we are trying to work out. Let's see. Maybe we come up with a complete different plan, but I think it's going to work out quite well. Let's go.
Hey, how are you? That's well, how are you? That's good.
So, do I have a look? Yeah. Now, what I want to do is, to have a kitchen that is, extended.
Yeah, extended. Yeah.
So here I would like to have a sink, and then I found the sink which is a depth of 15.
Mm-hmm.
Because ultimately we can only have on this kitchen we can only have 23, because the car is 87 high.
Mm-hmm.
87 plus 23, that's 107, which is really the max if you want to have some decent. How do I get into that cooker? By keeping the 107 height.
What's the depth on this?
Let me go and get it.
Yeah.
Let me go and get it.
See? This will be the height of the main drawer.
Yes.
Okay. And the other drawer is going to be height 10 cm here.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna be empty with this much. So what we can do here, we can put another drawer comes this way for chopping board or for these things. This way you have the top of the main drawer, you can put anything you want. Then we have or we can do the washing basin or the sink and the stove all in the end.
The stove should be in the end.
Yeah.
No, the wash basin should be in the end.
You mean closer to the car?
Closer to the car. Then you have the stove, and then you have the cutting board. That's it.
This is your bed. This is your bed, no?
Yeah.
For the truck.
Yeah.
Okay. So, now we have 3 drawers,
Yeah.
long ones, long
Yeah.
side.
Correct.
Okay. If this opens this way,
Yes.
this is your sink.
Yes.
Now this is your stove. It's gonna come this way. The cooker.
Can't we do it this way?
This way.
When I'm cooking, the only thing what I would do here is have this one with food, let's say. And if this is the bed of the car,
This is the bed.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, when you open the lid,
Yeah.
I would just open that here a little bit, so I have here. If I can have the cooker here, I would prefer.
Okay.
And then you have here a cutting board.
Yeah, this is a cutting board.
Yeah.
And
And you're going to make it in wood, not in aluminum, as people.
I prefer for you, because you're gonna travel off road. I would say we'll make it aluminum cheaper. Lighter, and it's gonna be cheaper also a little bit than wood. But he said no, I want wood. We can make it wood. It's gonna be heavy.
I think this one in wood and this one in aluminum. Is that
As you
possible?
like.
Yeah.
The drawers here we can make it. This has to be wood anyway.
Okay.
The drawers, but the main box and everything else inside is gonna be aluminum.
Mm.
But
All the drawers will be wood.
The service area for the drawers gonna has to be wood, because this is a big distance here.
Yeah.
So they have to be.
You cooking here, okay, so that you have access to the side panel. So what I did.
So this is what it is basically. Either we move the gas back here and we make the hose coming this way, spring tension. So when you open, the hose comes in. When you close, the goes back because with the spring.
And you put the gas here.
Yeah, we put the gas back here with the water.
Yeah.
This is the safest place
Yeah.
you can put the gas, because it's far away from anybody. If hit you from the backside,
Yeah.
it's gonna be back here. So you're in the center, so you'll be safe in here.
But when you draw with an AutoCAD, you set it to me?
Yeah, of course. I have to send it to you anyway.
Okay.
Well, I have to draw it in AutoCAD to make sure it's coming in perfect, because we want 23 for this one. This is done. We cannot play with the height.
Yeah.
It's 23. We cannot play. 40 is gonna come smaller than 40 here, smaller than 40 here, smaller than
Yeah.
So it's gonna be 36, 36, 36.
And when do you think you will have the AutoCAD?
AutoCAD evening time.
Okay, good. Then I can check tomorrow with picture,
Yeah.
and then we come.
That's, yeah.
Good. All right.
Yeah. So maybe like let's say before 7.
All right.
you'll have.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Let's do it like that.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks so much. I'll see you later.
See you tomorrow.